for YouTube replacement in my future. This follows me receiving an email at 1:29 a.m. on Wednesday, 27 December 2023. That's the day I'm filming this video. Seattle time zone. From YouTube, saying that my 11th podcast video had been removed and no specific reason why was provided for its removal. This email said it did not count as a strike, as I may not have known it was a violation of their policies. Maybe provide a specific reason, honey. Shit for brains. And curiously, this happened after I made a new podcast and put it in my playlist for podcasts after an over 2.5 year hiatus since the last one. I've also received multiple age restrictions on my videos without YouTube ever providing a specific reason why for any of the videos. So, it's a dirty platform. Okay? Like, you know, there's the Russians as they're portrayed at the Olympic Games, and then there's YouTube. And in my life, YouTube's the dirtiest. So why would I even stay? Well, I think, well, I want to marry my who. I want to marry my supposed lie. I'm not here for retaliating against dirty individuals with no moral or ethical principles in their conduct, which is YouTube. I just want, my parents are helping, and we're like, we just want this YouTube channel to last, to like getting me with them, right? And they can shut me down all they want. Like, once my soulmates have arrived, clearly they don't want my who am I wedding videos, which, you know, I'm sorry YouTube, but if we still have this channel operational, we'll post the videos. And then there's the hypothetical 6-year break that is now going to be an actual 6-year break after my who am I wedding and moving and stuff like that. Right? And if that doesn't happen, I just delete my channel. I do not have a YouTube channel. I've deleted Twitter. I've deleted Instagram. I've at least attempted to delete my Facebook. I've deleted a number, Tumblr blog I had, that kind of stuff, which people didn't like. But, you know, at some point, these companies need to start caring. I care about my videos and they do not. If YouTube wants me to stay, here's what I'll say. YouTube, if you want me to stay, remove the age restrictions and return all of my deleted videos and removed videos. If you don't, I don't stay. Possibly, potentially, right? I don't know what my future holds, but this is not my first time having problems with YouTube. I posted a video over 2.5 years ago, and 3 days after my last podcast, before the one yesterday, you know, over 2.5 years ago, saying goodbye to YouTube, and I meant it, and I'm back at feeling the same way. So there's also like if I can get my writing off of Wikipedia, so this is like, YouTube is equivalent to Wikipedia, don't clean up your platform, and I leave. Right. There's so much misinformation that YouTube publishes. It's just disgusting. And a reflection of the people who allow that to be published. And they're disgusting in nature. Ooh, is this going to be removed for a violation of harassment? I don't know. I don't know who those people are. Oh yeah, that detail. Maybe YouTube has enough brains to figure that one out. So maybe Lucky Wallaby Courier takes on a video sharing component, or we find something else, right? And then we figure out a back-acting way to make my world record, or world records if they are world record or world records, the clean video sharing platform that all my videos end up at. So yeah, there's potential for it. By all means, YouTube does not treat me well and does not care about my videos. I'm up for grabs, you guys. YouTube does not have, they firmly displaced that over 2.5 years ago. So in that sense, it's nothing new. They've been torturing me and harassing me and spreading misinformation about me for how long? So get in control of your misinformation, YouTube. But maybe it's just not a truth platform. All right. Yeah. So that's that. And I'll link to my podcast playlist, which is The true initiator for all of this was, this video wasn't old. The only thing that changed was I uploaded my playlist for podcasts. So they were like, oh, we tagged this, 2.5 years ago. Now let's go and delete it. We must have been brilliant back then. With providing no specific reason. God, people are dumb. Or computers are their AI is dumb. Artificial intelligence. Okay, and then I'll also link to the the playlist update, right? Because, I take a 6-year hiatus, come back, and I start publishing videos, and they remove everything. It can be removed during the hiatus or when I return, like this, right? I returned, and they were like, fuck you! That's their violation of profanity. They removed it. Yeah, and then I'll link to my goodbye to YouTube video, which if I do delete this channel, maybe I can put that, if YouTube still has the channel trailer feature, maybe I can put that as my channel trailer before I delete my channel. Or they delete it. If I can predict them deleting my YouTube channel, put it up first. Yeah, anyway, to get me to stay, return all of my deleted and removed videos and remove all of the age restrictions. It's that simple, YouTube. If you care about me and want me to stay. That's it. And I'm Tanis Coralee Leonhardi, and this is my YouTube channel, Tanis Leonhardi, and I'm filming this Wednesday, 27 December 2023, in the greater Seattle area, King County, Washington State, United States of America, Planet Earth, the original. Yeah. Happy day and time of viewing to you whenever you're viewing this. Happy place of viewing this wherever you're viewing this from, and happy platform of viewing whatever platform you're viewing this on.